To resolve the WSL distribution failed error, hexadecimal 0x8007019e, we need to ensure that the Windows Subsystem for Linux feature is enabled. Begin by opening the Windows search bar. Type Windows Features and select the option to turn Windows Features on or off. In the Windows Features window that appears, scroll down the list until you locate the entry for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Place a checkmark in the box next to this option. After selecting it, click OK. Windows will then proceed to apply the necessary changes, which may take a little while as it copies and configures the required files. Once this process is complete, your problem should be resolved. In some cases, you may need to restart your computer for the changes to take full effect. This is the primary and often the only required solution to address this particular error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.